Social media check-in. Let's do it.
Anna Lee Parker, Brad Squad VIP member. I'm on a student visa and I'm currently on OPT, which means I'm in legal status. Can I marry my boyfriend who's a green card holder? Can he file for me?
Yes, and you can file your adjustment immediately.
All right, Mahidar Alaline, maybe, Brad Squad VIP member. I'm a U.S. citizen. I came to the U.S. through the DV lottery. I have a 9-year-old daughter back home. When she was 1 year old, I was in a difficult situation raising her and I gave her to someone. Because of this, I did not include her in my documentation with USCIS. Now, the one who's raising her is sick and not in good condition, so she wants me to take the baby as soon as I can. The baby is not legally adopted. How can I convince the USCIS to bring the child here?
Well, first of all, if you were not married to the mother, you would have to show, even if you had not lied, you would have to show a father-child relationship, which you don't have because you gave the child to somebody else. Now, assuming you were married to the mother, then you don't have to show that relationship. You would do a DNA test, and they're going to have a lot of questions about why you did not tell the truth. Hopefully, you told the truth at least on your citizenship, but I think you need a private one-on-one consultation. By the way, it's not the first time I heard this story. And a lot of times people do it because on the visa lottery, you need to still be above the poverty level. So the more family members you're bringing to the U.S., the harder it is for to pass the affidavit of support requirements, which is why a lot of people all of a sudden leave their children off the file. We don't have any because we need to beat the affidavit of support requirements. And then all of a sudden they become a citizen and like, lo and behold, they have 5 children they never told about before.
Right, but wouldn't it kind of like go a little bit more to his case since he gave the child away at 1 year old and now the child is 9 years old?
You have excuses on, I didn't really misrepresent, I really didn't understand the questions. I mean, there's always ways to wiggle out of it, but still issues.
Okay, Carol F on YouTube, can I still get a work visa if I've worked without a permit on a tourist or student visa? If not, is there a waiver for that violation?
There's a waiver for working on a student visa if you're married to a resident or citizen or you have parents who are residents or citizens. That's the only time there's a waiver.
All right, next to G on YouTube. Is it true that in some cases people can get a green card without an interview?
Yes, it is true.
Natasha Baburam, a Brad Squad VIP member, after receiving a welcome letter from my I-485 application, how long does USCIS take to mail my green card?
8 to 12 weeks.
Morena Bella on YouTube, after my VAWA is approved, how long will it take to get my green card?
About a year. I assume you have to file an adjustment still. Or if you haven't filed an adjustment, your adjustment will start processing.
Ref Run on YouTube, can my daughter file for an I-45 while on a student visa because we only received the I-797C for the I-130 application in 2019?
If she's eligible to adjust her status, yes.
Sharoner Berry on YouTube, what happens if I miss my first biometric appointment for removal of condition? Do they send me another appointment?
No, call up and schedule it again.
Rachid Arunkir on YouTube, my wife got her consular appointment for an IV-1 visa?
No, it's the 4, that's immigrant visa.
Oh, I-4, okay, I-4 visa canceled. Yeah. What does that mean? The consulate only canceled the day's appointment and not the rest. It is the embassy in Saudi Arabia.
Could mean anything. It could mean that they didn't have somebody to interview her. It could mean something worse, that they need to investigate her, or something way in between. It could be completely innocent. It could be something serious. We don't know. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.